Morning everyone, so it's day 2 in Scotland. So I camped by the shores of Loch Lomond yesterday. Did need a permit, it's just the time of year where a permit is needed to wild camp along there. Today I've driven over just on the outskirts, if not just outside of Loch Lomond National Park, and we've come to a nature reserve. I wanted something a little bit gentler this morning for walking, so I've come to a spot called Flanders Moss. So it's only a short walk round. I think it takes about 20, maybe 30 minutes, but they've got this really nice sort of viewing station, so you can come up here. You've got the 360 views. Obviously there's going to be sort of lots of birds and wildlife to see here in the nature reserve, so really great viewing station. So I had a really good wild camp last night. Really nice spot. I'm afraid I didn't film anything to do with my setup and so on. I normally get to a camping spot and I just want to crash, and it was such a beautiful location by the shores of Loch Lomond. You've got to just have some moments where you don't film and just sit and enjoy the sort of surroundings. So I've just taken a little seat. I've got a lovely view in front of me, but hopefully from that short clip a minute ago you can appreciate how lovely it is sat here just listening to all the different birds. During the months of summer, the bog comes alive as its residents are awakened and energised by the sun. Vegetation rapidly begins to grow, flowers start to bloom, and more than 11 dragonfly species can be seen, hunting for their food. Common lizards and adders, as well as frogs and newts, are often seen in this location. Right everyone, so I've just finished my walk around the little nature reserve. It's been a really lovely start to the morning, really calm and peaceful, lots of different birds out there and different bird songs. So I'm heading back to the car now. I've had my breakfast just sat on a bench by the nature reserve there, which was really nice. I'm going to have a little look at the map and decide what to do next. Thank you for joining me on this short walk around the nature reserve.